Hi, Christina again. Today I'm going to talk about unboxing and assembling the all-new Riccar R27 vacuum with our step-by-step guide. In this video, Riccar R27 vacuum dealer AceVacuums walks you through everything from unboxing, attaching the handle, installing the hose, checking the filters, and powering on your brand new Riccar R27 upright vacuum. Cut cable ties and remove all protective films. Do not pull on the cord to lift the vacuum. Inspect the unit. If you see transport locks or brush roll protectors, remove them now. When in doubt, ask Riccar R27 vacuum dealer AceVacuums. Whether you're a first-time Riccar owner or upgrading from another model, this Riccar R27 vacuum assembly tutorial ensures you set up your vacuum correctly for maximum suction, HEPA filtration, and long-lasting performance. What is the Riccar R27 vacuum? The Riccar R27 vacuum is the newest upright vacuum from Riccar, designed for powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and long-lasting carpet and floor care. You can find it today at Riccar R27 dealer AceVacuums in Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia. What's included in the Riccar R27 box? Inside the box, you'll find the Riccar R27 vacuum main body, handle, hose, extension wand, tools, a genuine HEPA bag, and filters. If you buy from Riccar R27 vacuum dealer AceVacuums, our technicians check everything before you leave. How do I assemble the Riccar R27 vacuum? Assembly is easy. In this video, we show step-by-step how to attach the handle, connect the hose and wand, install the bag, check the filters, mount the onboard tools, and power on your Riccar R27 vacuum. Do I need any tools for a Riccar R27 assembly? No tools are required for most models. If screws are included, simply tighten them until snug. At Riccar R27 vacuum dealer AceVacuums, we'll assemble your unit for free in-store. Confirm all doors and panels are closed, tools are locked, and the wand telescopes smoothly. Wipe fingerprints with a dry microfiber. That's the showroom finish we send out from Riccar R27 vacuum dealer AceVacuums. How to register your Riccar R27 vacuum warranty. Scan the card or register online. We'll do it for you, recommended, at Riccar R27 dealer AceVacuums, so your serial number and purchase details are guaranteed on file. Enjoy that brand new vacuum feeling. Proper assembly ensures maximum suction, filtration, and carpet grooming from day one. For hands-on help, genuine parts, accessories, and annual tune-ups, trust Riccar R27 vacuum dealer AceVacuums, your local experts for everything Riccar.